I'm interested in diet. I do eat a good diet. I think those things are important. I do get exercise. I think that's important. I do breathe fresh air when I can and get sunlight. All important. But the key, the difference was made only by breath control. And I see this every day. I still practice daily. I get up in the morning, I've just woken up, I feel a bit groggy. I practice, my brain switches on, my body feels relaxed. I can work, I can function. So I will do the Buteyko method to the end of my days because there's no substitute as a basis, as the primary pillar. I'm not going to say a primary pillar, I'd say the primary pillar for maintaining good health, both physically, but also mentally and emotionally. It's the Buteyko method. Everything else is secondary. I'm not saying they're not important, but they're secondary. I will do the Buteyko method to the end of my days